it's Karen Burniston here with an assembly video for one of our die sets. This is die number 1130, the Backyard Charms, and you can check out all of our die designs at karenburniston.com. There are 12 individual dies in the set. It is a great chance to use up some scraps. You can use any die cutting machine that can accommodate a wafer thin die, and since this is such a small set, I am using my little Dress My Craft Easy Cuts machine. There is a stencil feature for the center of this flower. You can just use a pen through the die or sponge ink through it or emboss it. And then of course you always have the option just to use a rhinestone or a enamel dot instead. So just a little bit of glue at the top of one of the stems and then add the flower to it. My favorite glue is LINECO pH neutral adhesive, and I put it in our fine tip bottles, and we do sell both of those items on our website. So for the other flower, there is 2 dies to combine to make the flower, so one for the center and one for the flower. So once again, a spot of glue at the top of the stem and then just add the flower to it. And of course you can mix and match those flowers and stems. You also have a little bit of grass in the set, and with all of our charms, if you don't want them to be charms, you can cut off the hole at the top. There are 2 dies in the set that will combine to make a mushroom charm. So I just brushed a little ink around the base and then added the overlay. There is a stencil feature on the snail charm to put the face on the snail. So just leave the paper in the die after die cutting or put it back inside the die. And then I just use a black pen to add the face of the snail. There's also a stencil feature on the shell if you want to sponge some ink through it to have a little 2-tone shell. And then I'm just sponging a little ink around the snail itself. Then just a little glue on the base, and then the shell just fits right onto the base and you can tuck it behind the head. The butterfly charm is just a single piece, but there is an optional stencil feature on it. So you can fill in the body of the butterfly as well as highlight the wings. And then the last charm in the set is the fairy. She is a silhouette, so she looks great out of just a single color, but you can also kind of explore cutting maybe a second color for the wings and gluing over the top. Okay, so pretty simple and straightforward little charm set, and let's just see a couple of cards. This one is just a masterpiece by Fran Sabad, and look at all the backyard charms that she put across the bottom of this charm accordion. She's got the silhouetted fairy out of black glitter paper on all of the pages. I just love it. Then on this card front by Kelly Booth, she's used the smaller mushroom from the Gnome and Santa set with the larger mushroom from the backyard charms. Lois Bach also combined the Gnome and Santa set with the backyard charms for this cute card. Karen Aiken made a waterfall card out of our frame pole pop-up and used the backyard charms, and look at those freckles on the snail. The charms make a lovely scene on the front of this card by Frances Byrne, and then inside she's extended the circle tag book and again completely filled it with those charms. And then finally, this amazing card by Fran Sabad, backyard charms on the front and decorating the inside, where she's made the Hungry Hungry Caterpillar out of our new Bitty Ball pop-up. The backyard charms are available now on our website, as well as a lot of your favorite online and local retailers. Shipping starts August 3rd, 2020. Thanks for watching. If you click on the website link, you'll go to karenburniston.com, where you can find out information about purchasing these dies, as well as links to all my other social media accounts. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel and check out some of my other videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.